Well, hello there. It's been a minute since I have posted a video. But I got a little busy. I have a job and then coronavirus happened. So before we get started, I do want to obviously address the big elephant in the room, or a tiny elephant, because the coronavirus, it's very small, like you can't see it. There's a lot going on in the world right now. How are you guys? How are you doing? What's going on? I don't know what your current situation is. We are all experiencing this moment in time differently, and a lot of us are kind of going through different things, but I hope that you guys are staying safe, healthy, and responsible. Let me know in the comments what's going on with you guys. So it is almost spring, almost, and I say almost because I feel like every time we think spring is coming, a freaking like snowstorm happens, at least here in New York. So today, putting you over here because lighting is much better. Oh my God, there's such a mess back there. 1 second. Okay. Oh my God, you can see Peanut in the crate. Pee-Pee, you wanna say hi? I have to put her in the crate because if not, she's gonna be all over this video, going crazy, sniffing my stuff, eating my stuff. You're so cute. I love you. So in today's video, I am partnering with FabFitFun to show you guys an unboxing of their spring box. I actually worked with FabFitFun like many years ago. And honestly, FabFitFun is like one of my favorite subscription boxes. I don't like subscribe to any subscription boxes anymore because rent. But I feel like such a good splurge because you get so much more for your money when you get subscription boxes. Freaking excited when FabFitFun was gonna send me their spring box because your girl is in quarantine and she can't go out anywhere. She can't go shopping. They are a seasonal subscription box and they incorporate products in there, full-size products from like beauty, wellness, lifestyles. And I think it's really cool because you get over $200 worth of products, but you're only paying $49.99. They did give me a coupon code, Miss Yanni. You're gonna get $10 off your first box. Another reason that I'm so excited to be partnering with them is because they have partnered with the charity No Kid Hungry. And if you guys are in tune with what's happening in the world, of course, this whole coronavirus thing is affecting a lot of kids and families in not having the meals that they normally would have going to school. So they are actually going to be donating $10 for every time that you guys use my code Miziani to No Kid Hungry. So from now until Friday, March 20th, they're going to be donating $10 every time you guys use my code. You get $10 off, they donate $10 to No Kid Hungry. I think it's a win-win situation. And I'm not trying to be extra, but just for the purpose of handling this box, I am gonna wear some gloves because, you know, we're trying to be safe. Ta-da-da! The spring box, and their theme is metamorphosis. Did I say that right? Metamorphosis. I hope I did. So I can see why the butterflies are in the box. What the inside of the box looks like. I can take off my gloves now because I don't think I'm gonna be touching the box. This is the magazine that we saw when I opened the box. Oh my God, I have an exclusive offer for FabFitFun members. This is from Bite, like aligners at home. This would be very useful, but I already finished Invisalign. I also got a coupon for HelloFresh. I'm not gonna share with you my coupon code because I want some food. 10 free meals. Oh, hell yes. Okay. All right. I'm not trying to be extra, but given the situation of the current state that we're living in, I have a little bottle of alcohol. I'm just gonna like spritz it over this just to kill any bacteria that might be on the packaging. I know I'm so extra. You're probably like, what the fuck? Item number 1, we have got a weighted sleep mask. I have wanted one of these for such a long time and I just never bought one because I'm like, am I really gonna use it? And I no longer have lash extensions, which if you've ever had lash extensions, then you know that it's so hard to put things like over your eyes. Even wearing sunglasses was a little hard for me. So I'm actually really excited to, oh, this is really weighted. This is like a pound. But you know what, I'm gonna try this tonight. I'm gonna give myself a little meditation self-care date night today and enjoy this and see if it helps me sleep. I have not been sleeping very well, guys, to be honest, ever since this whole situation. Like, my schedule is off, my sleeping schedule is off, my waking up schedule is off, everything is off. I see here, oh, I'm so excited, silicone straw! I have a green thumb, and it's not planting plants green thumb, but like, I'm trying to be very eco-friendly, and like, everybody that knows me at work, in life, they know that I am trying to cut out single-use products. So I am so excited for these silicone straws because I already have, it comes with a little container. Oh my God, this is adorable. Now I can just, I think I saw this somewhere. You can just put it in here like this, and I can put this in my purse, and I can bring a few of these with me, and everybody that's sitting at the table with me doesn't need a straw. So I'm loving this. This one, this looks exciting. Tarte Pro Glow, a highlight contour palette. And I have not bought a palette in so long, and I forgot the joy of getting a brand new, like, fresh palette. Cute. Oh, ooh, hold up. Oh wow, this is so pretty. This shade variety looks like it's perfect for me. I want to swatch a few of these. Let's make sure our hands are clean. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, I love this for the cheeks. I probably will use this for my lids, and then this as like a inner corner highlight. And then the bronzer looks nice. It looks just ashy enough, but not too warm, not too kind of neutral. So loving it. I just want to swatch the highlighters because, oh my God, it's so pretty. I feel like it's Christmas. I've got the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. Powerful LED combination, infrared light, invisible to the naked eye. It penetrates deeper than any other color in the spectrum. Combats the signs of aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin. It comes with batteries. Oh God. I never know. Oh, okay. I love, thank you for telling me which way I should put the batteries. I hate when like you get stuff and you don't know like which way you should face the battery. I gotta read the manual because I'm not exactly sure how this works, but it's a really cool concept. Light therapy seems to be all the craze now. We've got a Fireflix Chiate. This is a liner. Yes, it is a, ooh, liquid liner. I needed one of these. I just cleaned my hands, so this is clean. Peanut, do you mind? Anyways, let's see. Okay, it's very watery, but it's definitely a very dark black eyeliner. A Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. This looks so cute, look at it. Oh, this packaging is adorable. This looks like a little bullet. This is so cute. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but I actually love the smell. It smells like pineapples, but it also smells like, remember those fruity rubber erasers from like back in the 90s? This smells like one of those fruity erasers that I used to have, and I actually really like it. Let's see. I mean, I have lipstick on, so it's kind of hard to try this, but oh, is it just me or it's giving me a little bit of a color? Just give me like a little orange tint. Oh yeah, it does have a little bit of a tint to it. Yep, definitely has a little orange tint. So little added bonus there. We've got an Area Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. I actually need a new hairbrush. Between you and I don't really brush my hair very often. Perks of having Asian hair, I guess, but I really should like brush my hair. Oh, this is so pretty. Makes me feel like Beauty and the Beast. Okay, anyways, I love these big brushes because I feel like it is nicer to my hair. It's cute. I like it. I need one. I needed it. I needed this actually. Oh, I love this. Oh, who doesn't love a nice little mask? So this is the Wish Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. It has antioxidant rich, and it's for skin balancing, detoxifies and purifies, moisturizes and soothes. It has paraben sulfate, phthalate free, D and T free, wow, culture free, everything. It's everything bad free, I feel like. I'm actually really trying to make a switch to cleaner products slowly but surely. You know, I don't want to throw out everything that I have, but I'm just like starting to be really conscious of like what stuff is in my products, because like you'd be surprised what's in the products. So I love a mask. Like literally tonight I want to do a mask and I want to sleep with that eye mask on because I'm just excited. Crap, I spilled it. Oh, this smells so good. Looks like this. Definitely feels more of like a cream when you put it on. And so that is everything that I got in my spring FabFitFun box. I think it's really cool, and these are things that I normally wouldn't even think to pick for myself. Like you can customize your own boxes, but I kind of like the element of surprise because it'll put you outside of your comfort zone, and I think that this box definitely did that, especially with this little glow therapy thing. And there's things in here that I'm totally gonna use. Like everything in this box I'm gonna use. It's very me, which is cool. That brings us to the end of this video. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I think I'm gonna post a video tomorrow, a vlog or something, because I'm really bored at home, and I don't know, quite honestly, I miss making videos. Thank you FabFitFun again for partnering with me in this video. I really appreciate you. I have some stuff to play with tonight, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Hold on. Bye.